Welcome. In this video, we're going to debunk some of the fake news about ChatGPT and how ChatGPT can't even understand basic things. So let's dive on into it. Recently, a guy says, look, ChatGPT is not coming for your jobs. Look, I can watch this message. It says, 3 cars leave from San Diego to San Francisco and arrive in 4 hours. How long does it take 6 cars to make that same trip? Assuming that all cars travel at the same speed and take the same route, we can use the concept of proportionality to solve this problem. Oh God, wait a second. If 3 cars can travel to from San Diego to San Francisco in 4 hours, then we can say that the time taken is inversely proportional to the number of cars. In other words, as the number of cars increases, the time taken to cover the same distance decreases in proportion. Using this concept, we can set up the proportion as follows. 3 cars by 4 hours equals 6 cars by X hours, where X is the time it takes for 6 cars to solve for X, cross multiply. So X equals 8. Therefore, it would take 6 cars, 8 hours to make that same trip 3 cars made in 4 hours. Holy cow. I just think it's not fully understanding what we're asking it here. Right, that's the problem. Because it thinks that when I said it took 3 cars 4 hours, it doesn't account for the fact that it's simultaneous time, right? So it's thinking like total hours driven. Okay, so this is just kind of a way that ChatGPT can totally get tripped up. It thinks that basically you had 3 clocks running in each of the, one in each of the first 3 cars, and if you took the clocks and you sum them up, right, at the end of the trip, you'd get 3 hours. So yeah, it's a funny trick, little party trick, fun way to trip up ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.